What's the date today, Zan? February the 9th, something like that, 2013. So we're actually going to set up the balloon over in this field here. We've had quite a bit of snow yesterday, maybe about 1.5 feet, something like that.
Do you want to get the waivers there? Snow's a little deep.
Because the snow's so deep here, so you're just going to lay the envelope out over the field, but leave the basket right here.
Yeah, hopefully we can find a good spot to land.
Okay.
Sundance is located in Belmont. They're like the biggest ones. Their basket's like the size of the truck.
It is?
Can be loud. I've done touch and goes in rivers before.
Oh, goodness,
but
okay.
Obviously you don't want to lay the balloon out in the river.
But you can.
Got a horse and like a little cart there over in the distance. You can hear the bells going. So Zan has got me going on the crown. I'm going to be holding this crown line here so that the balloon doesn't get away and we can fill it up nicely with air. So I've now got the crown line. Zan's going to put the actual crown in now. So he's got the crown all the way in now pretty much. He'll just do a few more here. Okay, and as you can hear, he's now filling it up with hot air.
You don't want that down the back of your neck.
I guess they're ready to go. Enjoy your flight. Bon voyage.
Eve!
Never seen this before.
Pretty something to see, eh?
Oh wow, yes. Fascinating.
I think the balloon's behind the house there. Oh, there it is.
I got 0 miles per hour right now. I'm just hanging here. So, might hang here for a few minutes, then go up a few thousand feet and see what the wind's like.
They're moving very, very slowly. Probably less than 1 mile an hour.
Just started climbing, and we're headed towards Wildwood.
So there really isn't too much wind today. Zan's just cruising along at maybe 1 mile an hour. So there goes a snowmobile by. So it looks like they're going to come down over by that barn. So they're right down here. Nice stand-up landing. Perfect, Zan. So how was the flight?
Awesome. It was great. No wind.
And Tash is directing traffic. We'll have this folded up in no time.
Over and then you guys disappeared. Hey, now we don't have to lay her out.
Okay, they're moving it off the highway because if you look around, there's a great big truck coming.
Yeah.
And I think that's it. Our passenger enjoyed their flight.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Passenger 1 and passenger 2 over there.
Lots of fun.
All right, we'll see you again.